The computation of penalties by graduation of degree. So we have the degree of participation, so principals, accomplices, and accessories. Then we have on the other side, on the upper side, so we have the consummated, frustrated, and attempted. So that is the stages of execution. So take note, i-explain natin yan one by one kung ano yung interpretation ng graduation scale na to. So pag sinabi nating principal, halimbawa, yung nakomit niya na crime is a crime of murder, then consummated yon, so 0 ang nakalagay dyan. So meaning, he will serve the original sentence imposed. Since murder yung nakomit niya, so meaning, isi-serve niya yung reclusion perpetua. Then kapag frustrated murder naman, tapos principal siya, so nakalagay dyan yung 1. So meaning, 1 degree lower. So from reclusion perpetua, reclusion temporal niya ang isi-serve nyo na sentence. Kapag dito naman sa attempted, okay, halimbawa attempted murder yung nakomit niya, then principal siya, so meaning 2 degree lower. So ang isi-serve nyo na sentence is prison mayor. Then kapag pupunta na naman tayo sa accomplices, kapag sa accomplices, kapag consummated, halimbawa consummated murder yung nakomit niya, okay, nung principal, of course kapag accomplice ka, 1 degree lower, so yung punishment mo or penalty is reclusion temporal. Kapag frustrated murder tapos accomplices ka, so 2 degree lower, so yung magiging penalty mo is prison mayor. Kapag attempted murder naman tapos accomplices ka pa rin, so that is 3 degrees lower, so meaning ang isi-serve mo na sentence is prison correctional. Then pupunta tayo ngayon sa accessories. Okay, again, yung original crime na nakomit niya is consummated murder or murder. So kapag accessories ka to the crime of murder, so that is 2 degrees lower. So meaning, yung isi-serve mo na sentence is prison mayor. Then kapag sa frustrated murder naman, tapos accessories ka, that is 3 degrees lower. So meaning, ang isi-serve mo na sentence is prison correctional. Then kapag attempted murder, okay, nasa attempted stage, tapos accessories ka to the crime of murder, that is 4 degrees lower. So meaning, ang isi-serve mo na sentence is arresto mayor. Okay? So yun yung explanation natin, kaya merong 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4 dyan. So again, dito yung degree of participation, principals, accomplices, and accessories. Then, magdidepende rin yan kung sa stages of execution. So, we have consummated, frustrated, and attempted. So, yun yung explanation natin sa computation of penalties by graduation of degree.